जैसे कि इससे पहले मेरे दिन थोड़े अच्छे नहीं बीत रहे थे, तो मैं तो यहाँ पे सोच रहा था कि मैं आऊँ कि ना आऊँ। तो पहले तो मेरा मन नहीं था आने का, बट अभी मैं सोच रहा हूँ अच्छा हो मैं आ गया, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आने के बाद एकदम अच्छा लग रहा है, एकदम चिलैक्स हो गया मन। और अभी मैं जाऊँगा तो ऐसा एकदम फ्रेश माइंड से जाऊँगा और अच्छे से काम कर पाऊँगा, तो ऐसा है।
Thank you. Thank
But it was very fast and interesting, and at the same time, it was a pleasure meeting so many mentees here, having a mentor. Although my mentor could not come due to some emergency, but the other learning from the mentees was also very good, and I think everybody is taking something away. There are a lot of takeaways from this workshop, and it was very well conducted. To Juhi, Dr. Modgil, the HR team, we are thankful, and such things must be conducted more often so that there can be more learnings in such an informal and a beautiful way. Thank you.
you.